This is the famous Aba to Port Harcourt Expressway, and work is moving so fast. Let's be real, many of us know how bad this road was before. If you're very conversant with the Aba to Port Harcourt Express Road, you know that this road was just too unmotorable. A trip that would take normally just 20 minutes, you'll have to drag it for hours. You'll be on this road for hours before you get to wherever it is you're going to. But now the story has changed, and honestly, it's all thanks to Governor Alex Otti, the man of the year. This man is making sure Abia State becomes great again. Aba is really buzzing with exciting developments. I can't even conceal my excitement. If you've been to Aba recently, or even if you just heard the gist, you know big things are happening in Abia State. One standout project again is the pedestrian bridges under this construction. Trust me, it's a game changer for an express as massive as this one. Let me break it down. This isn't just any pedestrian bridge. It's being built at strategic locations along this highway to make sure that things are safe, to make people safe when crossing the roads and make it more accessible for everyone. Now, here's a fun fact about this road itself. It's a 10-lane expressway. So yes, why wouldn't they build pedestrian bridges? It's only very necessary. 6 lanes with 3 on each side and 4 main lanes with 2 on each side of the road. And this whole project is designed by CCECC and Arab Constructions. This road stretches from Osisioma to Aloji, with another section connecting to the PH Road by JB. This is the famous Aba to Port Harcourt Express Road, It is beginning to look all beautiful. One thing I absolutely love about this project is just the pedestrian bridges being built at critical spots along the way. It's all about safety and convenience for residents and commuters. Honestly, I think we are witnessing history here. Do you know how long this Aba to Port Harcourt Expressway has been so bad? So, what do you think about this transformation? Is the drive from Aba to Port Harcourt finally going to be that smooth 20-minute ride we've all dreamed of? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Faith Carlo reporting for Ebony People TV, bringing you all the good news from across Southeast region.